Day 17, DIY Kites and Flying Day. Welcome to Day 17. Let's soar to new heights. Build and fly your own kites. The sky's the limit on fun. By building and flying your own kites, families can enjoy a fun, hands-on activity that combines creativity with outdoor play. This activity encourages teamwork, problem-solving, and enjoying the great outdoors together. Step 1. Gather materials. Materials needed: large sheet of lightweight paper or plastic, like a garbage bag, wooden dowels or bamboo sticks, string or kite line, scissors, tape or glue, markers, paint, or stickers for decorating. Optional, ribbons for the tail. Step 2. Build the kite frame. Create the frame. Take 2 wooden dowels or bamboo sticks. One should be about 24 inches long, the spine, and the other about 20 inches long, the crossbar. Cross the sticks to form a T shape. The shorter stick should be positioned 1/3 down the length of the longer stick. Secure the frame. Use string or strong tape to secure the 2 sticks where they intersect. Ensure the frame is stable and doesn't wobble. Step 3. Attach the sail. Cut the sail. Lay the frame on your sheet of paper or plastic. Cut out a sail shape by tracing around the frame, leaving an extra inch around the edges. Attach the sail. Fold the edges of the sail over the frame and tape or glue them down securely. Make sure the sail is tight and smooth. Step 3. Attach the sail. Cut the sail. Lay the frame on your sheet of paper or plastic. Cut out a sail shape by tracing around the frame, leaving an extra inch around the edges. Step 5. Decorate your kite. Personalize. Use markers, paint, or stickers to decorate your kite. Add your name, fun designs, or patterns. Optional tail. Attach ribbons or strips of fabric to the bottom of the kite for a tail. This helps with stability during flight. Step 6. Test and fly your kite. Choose a flying spot. Find an open area with plenty of space and minimal obstacles, such as a park or an open field. Check the wind. Ensure it's a slightly windy day. Enough wind to lift the kite but not too strong. Launch the kite. Stand with your back to the wind. Hold the kite up, and let the wind catch it. Start running slowly and let out the line gradually as the kite ascends. Step 7. Reflect and enjoy. Share your experience. Talk about what you enjoyed most about building and flying your kite. Did it fly as you expected? What could you improve? Future kite flying. Plan future kite flying sessions and consider building different types of kites to see how they perform. And as always, stay safe and good luck. Time for Day 17 riddle. I fly without wings. I have a tail. I can be tied down but still soar high. What am I? Hint: you fly me on a windy day for fun. You got 30 seconds to solve. The answer is a kite. You got it. Thank you for participating. We are back tomorrow with another exciting challenge. This activity is free to participate in, but if you wish to support us, consider purchasing any of our many affordable items from our Amazon store. Thank you for your participation.